Now mix that up.
And mix it with this.
A little white.
And mix it with this.
That's green.
Oh, I want this.
Well, this green doesn't even have any. Let me see if it has any green in it. Maybe it does. Yeah. Okay, here. I'll make something with that. Just that's enough. That's enough of this green. I just mix.
But I wanted this.
You can have that green.
Maybe if I mix this green with black, the black will change into a different color.
What color do you think it would change into?
Into blackish greenish.
Yes.
And that's.
But here's some more green. Aren't you going to use that green?
Mhm.
Okay. What are you going to do? No, you can put it right in there. Okay.
Maybe that will make it. Maybe that will make it green turn into a different color and black turn into a different color.
Well, if you put black and green together, you mostly have blackish green, as you said, and that doesn't really work very well. But you know, you learn something every day, don't you?
Mhm.
That's what I think.